Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss my quick Google Sheets tips. Today, I'll show you how to alphabetize in Google Sheets by last name. Quick, simple, and perfect for keeping your data neat. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. If your list has full names in a single column, we'll need to split them first. Select the name column, go to Data, then choose Split Text to Columns. In the little drop down that appears, choose Space as the separator. This will split the first and last names into separate columns. Next, click on the column that contains the last names. Go back to the Data menu and select Create a Filter. You will now see filter icons at the top of each column. Click the filter icon on the last name column and choose Sort A to Z to alphabetize from A to Z, or sort Z to A for reverse order. And that's it. You've now sorted your sheet by last name in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.